welcome back to my channel if you're new. Oh wait, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here. Here on YouTube I go by Zoe Williams or Zoe Forever 100. So as y'all can tell by the title, this is going to be a maintenance vlog. This is day one, so I'm just gonna do probably like a little time lapse and go ahead and take these down. They're really I had them for maybe, I think I got them right before Thanksgiving, like that Sunday before Thanksgiving. So I've had them for almost a month. They're really like growing out, if y'all can see. Sitting in my head since 3 o'clock, so almost 3 hours. I know you only supposed to deep condition for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Some people might even go an hour. Me, I'll just put the bag over my head, and when I feel like washing it out, that's when I wash it out.
Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding.
Okay, so for the products I use the Moroccan Pear Conditioner and the Sweet Ginger Cleanse, both by Camille Rose. This is my second time using these products. I have 4C, low porosity hair, and so it was kind of hard for me to find something that keeps my hair moisturized. And these do. My hair doesn't feel dry or brittle or anything. So I recommend those if you're a 4C girly like me, especially if you also have low porosity hair. And this was like my hair loss, which was really good, even though I didn't have it in for a complete month. It was almost a month. And I usually lose way more hair than this. Hey y'all, so it's currently 4:59. My hair appointment is at 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna be like a few minutes late. I didn't bring my camera because I wasn't gonna be able to vlog. My SD card that I've been using is full, so unless I delete some stuff off there, I need to go buy a new one. And there's no point in me deleting stuff off there because, like, I don't know, I'm editing another video right now, and then like I still got all the footage on the camera still. It's just like, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog, but I am going to like go through it and start editing and stuff, so I'll be able to vlog when I get my lashes done, or not vlog, but like record when I get my lashes done, so y'all can see that process. But I'm probably gonna go get a SD card either today after my appointment or like tomorrow. I don't know yet, but yeah. Okay y'all, so the hair is done, as you can see, but really in love with the hair, as y'all can see. So the hair we used was Empire Pack Hair, 14, 16, 18 inch. As y'all can see, I'm in love with this hair. We'll see how long I can maintain it, but
I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature.
Oh, these are cute. What hand pose you want me to do?
Yep. Zoe called my poses ugly before. Sweet bracelets.
I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last?
Okay, vlog, so let's catch up real quick since this is like my birthday maintenance video. I went out of town for 2 days, didn't have a comb, didn't have a brush. All I had was like, y'all know them brush like men use when they brush their hair. That's all I had. So when I went to sleep, my scarf, I guess it kind of like came up a little bit, so my edge over here is a little, you know, rough. Like I ain't have no blow dryer or nothing. So I just got back from being out of town like just now, like just like 5 minutes ago. So I just went and got my eyebrows done. If y'all can see, look real good. Yeah, so I just got my eyebrows done. I'm currently following my sister to go somewhere, but the thing about this is, so I bought the spritz and stuff needed to like lay this down and stuff. So I just need to go home and maintain it and fix it. That's all I wanted to tell y'all, because like it looked bad because I haven't had the utensils or like that's the word. I haven't had the utensils to like fix it. So the only reason my hair is even curled like this a little bit is because I had to do stock curls. When I tell you I didn't have anything. Like I got my hair done and I got on the road. That was the problem. So yeah, but I just got my eyebrows done. That's why I wanted to come on here and tell y'all. Okay, so while I was saying, my mama called me, but because she's mainly New Orleans based right now, I haven't been able to get my lashes done because I'm no longer at Xavier. So she did come home. I got them done in June. She was home then, and then I didn't get them done again until she came home in October, I think. And so I was gonna try and get them done before homecoming, but it was an issue with like my glasses and my contacts and stuff like that, so I didn't get them done. But then whatever happened, like I could have got them done, because basically my glasses had broke, y'all. Like I was in class one day and they just broke, so I had to like get some contacts shipped and stuff. So I was like, dang, I could have got my lashes done. But yeah, so I really could have got them done again in October, but I didn't. But now it's my birthday, so like, yo, I'm getting my lashes done. Come on. So that's tomorrow. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when that happens. And then I think that's gonna be it for the maintenance. My toes are already done, so I didn't need to go get those done. But after I get my lashes done, that's it. Then the next video y'all will get will probably be my birthday vlog, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when I get my lashes done.
Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature.
So today is Thursday, December 28th. Y'all know my birthday was on the 26th. I finished editing this video on my birthday when I was on the way to New Orleans, and I just hadn't uploaded it yet because I never recorded an outro, and my last 3 videos haven't had an outro, and I was like, y'all deserve an outro, so this is me here making the outro. There won't be a birthday vlog uploaded because I didn't really film anything. I did take my camcorder with me, and I got some footage on here, just like for me to make a little montage and stuff out of it, but not anything to like post on YouTube or social media for real. I just came on here to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 449 subscribers. My goal is, I told y'all in one of my previous videos that I wanted to hit 500 before 2024. So I need 11 more subscribers in 3 days, which I think is possible. This is probably going to be my last video of the year though. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, I just want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? So yeah, and I will see y'all next year.